Hey, if you wonder if the Xiaomi Watch S3 accurately measure the heart rate, I'm gonna show you the comparison with this pulse oximeter. So let me just start with the watch. Here we have the heart rate, and it shows me currently the 77 beat rate per minute. So let's see how it is going to work with the pulse oximeter. It's currently 81 on the Watch S3, 79, and on the pulse oximeter we can actually find something different. It's actually 64. Now it's 65, 66. Here we got the 69. So it's actually really close. 67, 68. 67, 68. So it looks like this device actually measure the current heart rate really close into the pulse oximeter. Now it's 72 on the pulse oximeter, and it's also going for the 70 on the watch, 71. So it looks like there's like small delay between the watch and the pulse oximeter. So it looks like the pulse oximeter actually detects the heart rate quicker. I mean, basically just measure the heart rate quicker than the watch. But it looks like it's really close into this pulse oximeter. So that's all for this video right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.